In today's world, many people believe that you need money to make money. However, this idea is not completely true. While having capital can be helpful, it is not always necessary, especially for students and young people. With the development of the internet, technology, and social media, there are many opportunities to earn money without spending any money at the beginning. Making money without capital means using what you already have. This can include your time, knowledge, skills, creativity, or even your willingness to learn. For students, this is very important because they often do not have much money, but they do have energy and free time. This video will discuss 7 practical ways to make money without capital. These methods are suitable for beginners and do not require expensive tools or investments. More importantly, they help young people develop useful skills for the future. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money without capital. A freelancer is someone who offers services to clients without working for a single company. Freelancers usually work online and choose their own projects. There are many types of freelance jobs. Some common examples include writing articles, designing logos, editing videos, translating languages, and managing social media accounts. If you have a computer and an internet connection, you can start freelancing without spending money. One advantage of freelancing is flexibility. You can work at your own pace and choose projects that match your skills. This is especially suitable for students because they can work after school or on weekends. Freelancing also helps improve important skills such as communication, time management, and problem solving. Even if the income is small at first, the experience is very valuable. Over time, freelancers can build a portfolio and earn more money. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another excellent way to make money without capital. If you are good at a subject such as mathematics, English, science, or history, you can help other students learn. Many parents are willing to pay for tutors who can explain lessons clearly and patiently. Online tutoring allows students to teach from home using video calls or messaging apps. There is no need to rent a classroom or buy special equipment. Online tutoring not only helps tutors earn money, but also improves their own understanding of the subject. Teaching others requires clear thinking and good communication skills. These abilities are useful in both education and future careers. In addition, tutoring builds confidence. When students see that they can help others succeed, they feel proud and motivated. This positive experience can encourage them to continue learning and improving. 3. Content creation. Content creation has become very popular in recent years. People create videos, posts, or blogs on platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. This method does not require money to start, only creativity and consistency. Content can be about many topics, such as education, daily life, hobbies, or personal experiences. Some creators choose not to show their faces and still become successful. This is called faceless content. Content creators can make money through advertisements, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. However, earning money usually takes time. At the beginning, creators should focus on learning, improving content quality, and building an audience. Content creation also develops creativity, storytelling, and digital skills. Even if a creator does not earn money immediately, these skills can be useful in many future jobs related to media and marketing. 4. Selling digital products. Selling digital products is a smart way to earn money without capital. Digital products include study notes, templates, planners, simple ebooks, or presentation slides. These products are created once and can be sold many times. Students often create digital products based on their own learning experience. For example, a student who takes good notes can organize them and sell them to others who need help. This does not require printing or shipping, so there are no extra costs. Creating digital products also encourages creativity and organization. Students learn how to present information clearly and attractively. This skill is useful in both academic and professional environments. Although creating a good digital product takes time, it can provide long-term benefits. Once the product is finished, it can continue to earn money with little extra effort. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products. When someone buys a product through your recommendation link, you receive a commission. This method does not require owning products or spending money. Many companies offer affiliate programs for free. Affiliates can promote products through social media, blogs, or videos. Affiliate marketing teaches important marketing skills, such as understanding audiences and creating persuasive content. It also encourages honesty, as successful affiliates usually recommend products they trust. Although affiliate marketing can take time to become profitable, it is a useful long-term skill. It helps students understand online business and digital marketing. 6. Doing online tasks. Some websites pay users to complete simple online tasks. These tasks may include answering surveys, testing apps, watching videos, or organizing data. This method is easy and requires no experience or capital. While the income from online tasks is usually small, it can be suitable for beginners. It helps students earn their first money online and understand how online work systems operate. Doing online tasks also teaches responsibility and time management. Even small jobs require attention and effort. Students learn that money is earned through work, not given freely. However, it is important to choose safe and trustworthy platforms. Students should avoid websites that ask for personal or financial information. 7. Social media management. Many small businesses want to grow online, but do not know how to manage social media. Students who understand social platforms can help by creating posts, replying to messages, and increasing engagement. Social media management does not require money to start. It only requires knowledge, creativity, and communication skills. This job can be done remotely, making it suitable for students. Managing social media accounts helps students learn about branding, marketing, and customer interaction. These skills are valuable in many future careers. As experience grows, social media managers can earn higher income and work with more clients. This makes it a strong long-term opportunity. Challenges of making money without capital. Although there are many opportunities, making money without capital is not always easy. One common challenge is patience. Most methods take time before generating income. Another challenge is competition. Many people are trying similar methods, so it is important to improve skills and offer quality work. Time management is also important, especially for students who need to balance study and work. However, these challenges are part of the learning process. Facing difficulties helps students grow stronger and more responsible. Benefits beyond money. Making money without capital offers benefits beyond income. It teaches independence, responsibility, and self-confidence. Students learn the value of hard work and persistence. These experiences also help students discover their strengths and interests. Some may find a career path they enjoy, while others gain skills that help in future studies. Most importantly, learning to earn money ethically and responsibly at a young age builds a strong foundation for adulthood. Making money without capital is possible and realistic, especially for students. Freelancing, online tutoring, content creation, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, online tasks, and social media management are all practical methods. Although these methods require effort and patience, they offer valuable experience and skills. Money is not the only reward. Personal growth and confidence are equally important. By starting early and choosing the right path, young people can prepare themselves for a successful and independent future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. See you soon.